Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Go ahead.
Hey guys, it's Dante, welcome back. This week we're going to go over user-friendly freezer areas, shelves. My top 3, it's going to go in this order. I really like this French door style. The reason why I really like this one as my top is because there's a lot of open room. There's a lot of different space. You know, you can get creative with how you want to stack stuff. And you have a divide here, which you can move, rearrange how you need to. Just opens a lot more space. You know, you can really pile things in there. My number 2 is going to be these double freezer doors. I really like the organization. It does give you a little bit more shelf space, which I don't really have anything in my freezer that I could put on the wall. But you had these crisper drawers and these shelves up here, and you can also adjust if you wanted to bring it up a little bit higher or however you wanted it. These are really nice if you have a large family or a family of 4. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. My third one is going to be a top mount, and we're going to head over there right now.
Go.
So this is our top mount. As you can see in our freezer, you're very limited with space, especially if you're just in an apartment or if it's a garage fridge. Garage fridge is perfect, but if you're, you know, a couple of 2 trying to put stuff in your freezer, space is a little bit limited. That's why it's in my top 3 spot. I just like having a little bit more room so I can get a little bit more stuff, you know, buying in bulk, stuff like that. But you also do have the shelves, nice space options. Just those are things you want to consider if you're buying a fridge, long term over short term. That's my top 3 for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.